Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Bubbly Belle. They have a new line of bath products and I got sent some samples of those, some products, and I'm super excited to show you what they are. So the first thing I have is a Spa Day Premium Bath Bomb. This has a sterling silver adjustable ring inside, which is very exciting because typically it's not sterling silver, but this one is. And comes in this cool little container. Ooh, it's a big bath bomb too. Spa Day. And then it comes with a certificate of authenticity. Ooh. Now I wonder if that's the exact ring I'm getting right there. If so, I probably should not have ruined the surprise. I think it is because it shows the color and everything. So, just in case you order one of these, if you want to be surprised, don't open this. I will be doing a demo of this product and any other product that comes with jewelry. So that's the first item. Also, they have bath soap now, which is really exciting. There's not jewelry in here. This is just soap, but we use a lot of bar soap, so I'm very excited for this one. This is Citrus Burst, and it's very nice and colorful. Super cute. Next, I have a Salt Soak. This is Lavender Lemongrass, and this does have a premium adjustable ring inside. Now, because it says premium, does that mean it's sterling silver? Let's see. I'm not sure about that. It doesn't specifically say sterling silver, but I guess we will have to stay tuned for that because I will do a demo of this so you can see what it looks like in the water and then show you what the ring is. It does have the instructions on the back. Warm bath, sprinkle salt, soak in the water, soak in. That's it. Very awesome. Then, next new product is shower steamers. This one is Bloom, and again it says a premium adjustable ring. So, I'm excited to see the adjustable ones. I don't think they've done that before. Ooh, these are big too. Oh, okay, and then the ring comes in the middle, so it's not inside one of the shower steamers. But yeah, those are nice and big. It smells good. There's a light like floral scent with that. And then it does say how to use them on the back. Place the shower steamer on the floor. Allow the water to drizzle and dampen the steamer to activate it. Turn on the shower and allow it to fill with steam. Enjoy the relaxing fragrance. For a longer lasting experience, place the shower steamer in the provided bag and hang it in the shower. Oh yeah, there is a bag in there. Glad they mentioned that because it's kind of hidden. There's a little baggie in here, a little mesh bag. Very cool. Love that. So I will do demos of that as well. And then the last one says a manicure and pedicure soak. This is spearmint eucalyptus scented. And how to enjoy, just drop in warm water and enjoy. Easy enough. Let's take a look at this. I think they just slide out. These smell really good. I love spearmint and eucalyptus. Oh, and there's several of them in there. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 of them in a pack. And these are smaller. That'd be great if you have like one of those little foot spas. That's awesome. Just a little soak. Love that. Now this I don't think has jewelry with it. It does not say anything about it on the packaging, so I don't think all the items do, so this wouldn't, but everything else does. This and the soap doesn't, but all the other products do. Either way, super excited. They've really branched out and made some new products. So if you want to see the demos of the ones that have jewelry, I might even just do a little demo of that one too if you want to see it. So make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll mention some of these other products when I do the bath bomb demos. That way you know how that went. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.